Ladies and G's, thank you for tuning in. So today it's a beautiful sunny day and I hope you're having a wonderful day. So I've decided to try something new. I want to grow my own herbs in my small balcony, and so I don't have any experience, but I got advices here and there on how to go about it. So I'm going to use them, and you're also welcome to criticize or judge or just give your opinion or advice. Anything is welcomed. So the reason for this is because I've realized that I'm throwing away a lot of herbs which are no longer fresh from my fridge, and some of them I try to keep them on my counter, but they still get spoiled. So somebody recommended me a nursery nearby, and we're just gonna go there and then do some shopping, come back and do our planting. So without wasting any further time, let's go. So the name of the place we are going to, it's called the Indigo Garden Center, and it's located in the Midrand in case you want to go and shop something you like. And we are here. So as you walk in, you are met by this beautiful small garden shop where they are selling beautiful pots, your lawnmowers, your soil, and just all the equipment you're gonna need for your garden, be it outside or inside, they've got you covered. So as you walk along, you're gonna meet a door that leads you outside where you're gonna meet this big, beautiful plant nursery. So coming to this nursery was a very good idea because they have everything I need and more. So if you know that you have a garden or you want to expand one or you just want to start a new one, this is the place to go. And the prices here are insanely low. So if you are looking for something affordable, this is the place to go. Oh my God, this place is very beautiful. And they also allocated me somebody to assist me with my shopping since I've explained that I do not have experience in this. And these people are knowledgeable and they just make everything easy. So you can just tell that they do have their own guidance.
You amend this pot. Your plant you are not going to grow.
Oh, okay. So I need to expand it a
Yes,
little
you need to
bit.
amend a little bit deeper,
A
something like that.
space,
And then
yes.
it's the more this one like a rosemary and then like a coriander are going to you are going to grow it.
Okay. No, it makes sense. Yes,
The time
time.
is not too big. You can grow like that about 30 centimeters high. But this ones will make a more bush. And then this side we have a coriander, we have this a parsley, and then we have a mint. Oh,
Yeah,
sure.
that's all.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, guys, I bought 5 herbs, which is rosemary, parsley, coriander, thyme, and mint. And the total was 514, which is reasonable. And this includes the pot because I bought the pot there. And I quickly realized that I forgot to buy the compost and the tool which I'm going to use for my planting. I then bought it at Builders. Then I went straight home for planting. I started with a layer of my compost because I want my herbs to sit properly. So I'm using my bare hands because I forgot to buy gloves. So that's what happens when you are doing something for the first time and you have no knowledge of. So, guys, please don't judge. Next time I'll do the right thing. I then removed my herbs from the small pots, and I had to be very careful when doing this because I didn't want to break my herbs from its own soil. And luckily, they came out very good. Then I lined them properly in my long pot. The reason I bought compost was to fill the small gaps in between my herbs. I did that. Then I loosened the soil using my fork, then watered my herbs for the first time. I'll continue taking care of my herbs, and don't be surprised when you see me coming to pick some herbs for my cookings. And yeah, this was very fun. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all chocolate love.